Oh my god, where's the price sheet? Where'd it go? I found it. Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Today we are unboxing a Stitch Fix box. If you saw my last Stitch Fix, it was in my Drape Fit versus Wantable versus Stitch Fix. And I thought Drape Fit won, but someone very kindly let me know in the comments the Drape Fit does not actually give you your styling feedback. So Stitch Fix ended up being the winner for me. So I'm pretty excited to dive in here. Excuse my voice, we're going through it. Skin's unhappy, voice is unhappy, but I am happy to go through Stitch Fix. So let's go ahead and open it up and see what we got. So on the inside here, I have a little envelope, and this has a bunch of pamphlets in here. On one of them, it will have all of the itemized items with the prices. And then there is also this cute little card, and this gives a bunch of different outfit inspiration for the items that I have. And then you do also get a return envelope, so you can send back anything you don't like or don't want. And then most excitingly, you get your bundle of items. So let's see what we got. I did also want to say my box got completely destroyed. So shout out to my mailman for that. Here we go. Okay, first thing I'm seeing on here looks to be pants, maybe? I think these are pants. These are interesting. They're kind of like a khaki linen color. There's a bunch of fuzz and hair already on them, and I don't think it's mine. These are in a size medium, which may or may not fit me, and they do look to be a little see-through. So interested to try those on and actually see if they're comfortable. We'll see. I'm iffy about them. Oh, this is soft. What are you? Okay, this is a dress. I think it's a maxi dress, maybe a midi dress, kind of long, and then it does have some kind of cross things in the back. I don't really wear a ton of maxi dresses, but I'm open to it, so cozy, we'll see. I think this is another dress. This one is definitely on the shorter side. I just hit myself in the face with that tag. I think this one might be a midi dress, and it's t-shirt dress and looks like it has some ruching on the side. Honestly, not the biggest fan of this style, but who knows, would love to be proven wrong. Oh, I think I liked these on the app, which is so much fun. By the way, if you have Stitch Fix, definitely get the app. It's so much fun. These are really fun for the summer. They're kind of I don't even know what I would call this pattern. Like a botanical pattern, very bohemian. I love this orange color, so I'm very hopeful that these end up being comfortable because they're so fun. And then lastly, we have this wrap shirt, and this is green, and it kind of has like a tie situation, and then it is kind of ruched here at the bottom. So I'm gonna go ahead and turn the camera and try everything on, so I'll see you in a second. Okay, so first I have on this green shirt. I think this is really cute. It has some short flutter sleeves, and then this tie is really cute, and then the ruching is really comfortable, really flattering, and I just really like it a lot. These pants, however, I do not like. They are, as you can kind of see in the mirror, very cropped, and they're just really big and baggy up here, but somehow like a little too tight in the waist. So they definitely just don't fit me very well, and I just don't really like them. So these pants are gonna be a no, but the shirt is definitely a contender. Now I wouldn't wear these together, but I was wearing a dress earlier, so I decided to keep that shirt on and try on these orange pants. These are so fun and flattering. I am wearing black underwear, and you can definitely tell. So they are on the see-through side, but if you wore nude underwear, you'd be fine. So these are so cozy and soft. They're very, very lightweight. I appreciate that they have pockets, and this elastic is not itchy or too tight or anything. Lengthwise, they fit me so nicely. I could wear heels, I could wear flats. These are awesome. I really, really like these. So I can't remember how much they were, but I'm hoping they're not too expensive because they are so fun and so cool. I am so into these. So these are definitely my two favorites so far. Okay, then we have this t-shirt dress. I think I got something similar to this in a previous straight fit box. It is just not for me. I don't think it's very flattering. I feel very self-conscious about every crevice and crack that's being shown. So that is not something that I personally want. I do think this is cute. So if this is something that is your style, it is a very nice quality dress and it's very soft and I like this color. This fit is just not for me, unfortunately. So this one is going to be a no. Lastly, we have this black maxi dress. I am iffy about this one, so definitely let me know what you think. I think it's very comfortable and I like the neckline. It kind of reminds me of a Halara dress that I have that I really, really like. And then in the back, it kind of crisscrosses, which I think is really pretty. And it's very comfortable. I am just wearing a regular bra, which I would not be able to. The part that makes me a little bit iffy is partially the length. I feel like it's a little short for me. And then also it's just a little bit, showy of some areas of my body that I don't love right now. So I'm not really sure how I feel about this one. I think the price will kind of determine it for me because I could make it work and I feel like I'd end up wearing it a lot. But I just don't know. I don't feel amazing in it. And that's really what I want in everything that I have. So I'm not sure, but let's go ahead and go through some prices. So I want to go through the pieces that I know I'm not going to get. So we'll start with these pants. These are, I don't know what these are. Omo jeans. So I figured out that these are actually not listed on here. I have something from 151 that was on here, the smoked pork chop pocket something. So I actually don't know how much these are, but regardless, these are gonna be a no for me. Next is this short sleeve dress. This is from 9 Britain and this is $54. Kinda sure, but no. And this black strappy dress, this is from Market and Spruce, and this is $48, which I actually feel like is a really good price for this. I'm still super iffy, so I would love to hear your thoughts. Leaning towards no. Last are my two favorites. So this first one is the Mason & Bell smoked crop top, and this is $42. I don't really think this is worth $42 if I'm being honest. I think this is something that I could find at TJ Maxx or Marshall's for cheaper. I do like it, but I don't know if I like it for $42. So that one, still a maybe. And then we have these pants, and these are the Lacerin extra high boot cut in orange, and these are $44. So I think these are probably what I'm gonna end up keeping because they're so unique, they fit me really well, and they're so comfortable. So I actually think I'm gonna get a ton of use out of these, and I don't have anything like it, and I don't know where I could find anything like it. So since I paid my $20 styling fee, these will only be 24 bucks to me, and I feel like that's worth it. So I'm gonna keep these. I may keep the green shirt, maybe, probably not, but I would love to hear your thoughts. I have a few more days, so definitely let me know what you think. If I did want to get everything in the box, it would be a subtotal of $236. There's a 25% off discount if you buy everything, which would then bring the total back down to $177. And then I would get my styling fee credited for a total of $157. So for 5 pieces, $157 is not that bad. I just don't like most of the pieces, so it's definitely not worth it for me to get everything. I think I liked my last box more than this one. So we're gonna see how StitchFix kind of progresses. I'm having fun with it so far, and I hope that you are too. If you have any tips for StitchFix being successful, definitely let me know down below. I really appreciate you coming and hanging out with me today, and I really look forward to seeing you in my next video if you subscribe. In the meantime, I hope you have a killer day. Bye.